So I'm Adam Robson. I'm the Regional Rehearsal Lead at MWH Treatment, and I've been supporting our Burnley Wastewater Treatment Works project in terms of its digital approach. To the project itself, so Burnley Wastewater Treatment Works is in the northwest of the UK. It's required, we are expanding the wastewater treatment works, and it's required to keep up with the population growth in the area. The Environment Agency have predicted that there's going to be an expansion of growth between now and 2035, and we are expanding the work so it can take that capacity. The project itself is a £60 million budget and a 36-month construction period. Due to this, it has some significant time and cost constraints, and we need to hit the deadlines and ensure that the works is back up and running in that 36 months period. So as a result, we very early on in the project we went down the route of trying to carry out a digital approach and implement digital rehearsal and MView Plus to hopefully try and accelerate that program and make sure that we hit that deadline. So the Bentley software we've been using is Synchro 4D, and Synchro 4D, it takes the 4D model and we link it to the construction schedule or construction program, producing what we call a 4D model, or what's known as a 4D model, and then we use it for digital rehearsals. So we've been then using those digital rehearsals with the project team to hopefully make the program as efficient and as lean as possible, and ensure that we are going to deliver the project in time. There has been some other benefits. It's aided the health and safety performance on the project, as well as some of the carbon reduction measures. We have been able to recycle some various different, some hard standing areas, some piling platforms. We've been able to reuse that stone multiple times, as well as reduce the amount of water usage on site when it comes to the hydrostatic testing. We've also used the digital rehearsal tool to aid in some environmental issues. We had a small issue around some nesting birds on the actual project. Using the synchro and digital rehearsal, we were able to reprogram the works to ensure that our works didn't affect the nesting birds, but also ensured that our critical path for the actual project was maintained. Yeah, so this is my first Bentley going digital awards, and so it's been excellent, and like you mentioned before, it's great honour to get down to the final three. I hadn't quite realised that there'd been 42 for this particular for the water and wastewater section. So to get down to the final three, I hadn't realised that until yesterday. So that was quite an achievement. So even if it is just the final three, I'd be very happy with that.